Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can access Sora 2 without inviting code. So if you want to get your hands on the world's most powerful AI video generator right now with this secret method, you can just follow this. So just open this page right here, sora2.cloud, and you'll see Sora 2 video generator. And these are some of the example of AI video created by another Sora users. So if you want to create your own, you can click on this Sora 2 video generator and you'll see this prompt box. So you can just write the prompt that you want, what videos that you want to create in here. So write the prompt, set the options, and generate. You can also attach image as the reference. Here you can set duration, the quality, and also the orientation, whether you want it to be portrait or landscape. And if you want to generate a video, you need 10 credits in here. If you are new to Sora, you can get up to 10 free credits in here, but I've already used mine. So currently I have 0. And here is the video I generated before. So if you want to continue use it, you need to subscribe to the plan in here, whether it's yearly or you can also use this one. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on it. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.